today, as I see all of you standing on this graduation stage, ready to step out of campus and into a wider world, I am filled with sincere joy and heartfelt blessings. Graduation is the closing of one chapter and the beginning of another journey. May you walk into the future with confidence and brilliance, with grace and determination.
毕业不是终点，而是你们迈向下一段人生的起点。愿多年后的你回头看看今天的自己，是那么骄傲地说：“谢谢当年的我，没有放弃自己。”不要成为别人期待的样子，请成为自己喜欢的样子。
People will tell you that AI knows everything now. Truth be told, it nearly does. AI has memorized every flaw that already exists. This is not the frightening part of your future. This is the thrilling part. Let AI keep the answers, and you demonstrate the courage that AI will never have.
4年来，我看着你们跌倒、迷惘、犯错，也看着你们慢慢找到人生的方向，成为今天站在这里的模样。亲爱的毕业生，你们终于踏入了人生的下一个阶段，请努力的去追求自己的梦想，体验这个世界，也勇敢的去成为自己想成为的人。未来不一定很顺利，但我相信你们都已经准备好了。最后，不管未来走得多远，飞得多高，记得偶尔回来看看老师，让我知道你们过得很好。Congratulations.
Looking back on our time here, people might describe it in various ways. Exhausting, strict, difficult, interesting, exciting, maybe even overwhelming. But regardless of what you struggle with or what you have achieved, you deserve to be proud of how you decide to live one of the most intense, fascinating stages of life. Congratulations to the very wise students of WISE, and best of luck as you continue learning to navigate the world.
There are so many things that we gain that it is almost impossible to summarize them in one paragraph, one paper, or even one speech. I hope that in the future, even with the pressure of GPA, internship, GRE projects, and group work, we may still gain joy, freedom, and fulfillment in college. I hope we all find something meaningful, something worth striving for, and something that makes us all happy. I hope the memories and the irreplaceable friendship last with us for years after years. Last but not least, I also want to share our appreciation with everyone who has helped us at WISE. No matter whether you're a teacher or staff, you all help us a lot in our school life.